Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. So in today's video we're going to be talking about two things. We're going to do an update on my Coinmine, which reached over 1 million sats, also reached that threshold that Coinmine has put into their system to be able to withdraw that money. And the second thing I'm going to talk about is my Trezor wallet. Brand new. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. I'm going to do the withdrawal from my Coinmine to this Trezor wallet. I'm not really sure when I reach the 750,000 Satoshi mark, which again is the threshold you need to pass with Coinmine in order for you to withdraw your money. So I'm just going to put a quick video of it jumping over to 1 million, and then I'm going to put a screenshot of how many Satoshis I have right now and what it's worth right now. Alright, so this right here is on Saturday. You can see it reached from 990 something thousand to 1 million. And now you can see the screenshot of what my account looks like right now with Coinmine. So this is kind of the main event of this video, the Trezor wallet. And what the Trezor wallet is, it's a hardware wallet that's used to store Bitcoin and other altcoins. This wallet, I'm mainly going to use it for my Coinmine, so anything that's in here is going to be directly from my Coinmine. So I'm going to unbox this, show you how to set it up, and I'm going to show you me withdrawing my money from my Coinmine to this Trezor wallet. Alright, so this is your Trezor wallet, and when you get one of these, you got to make sure that every information that is put into this stays private. It's between you and yourself only. Another thing you got to make sure that this is not tampered with. I bought mine through Amazon from the official Trezor page on Amazon. You can also buy it directly from Trezor, that way you don't have to worry about anything and it's coming directly from them. Again, you just want your investment to be safe. If you deposit your Bitcoin into a tampered wallet, it can be possible that your funds can get stolen from you. Alright, so we're about to unbox the Trezor wallet. Gotta pull out the trusty knife. Alright, so real quick, you gotta make sure that when you buy yours, it's completely wrapped in the saran wrap or shrink wrap, whatever it is. And then there's one, it's like a bumper sticker, it's a tamper sticker, and one right here too. So there's two tamper stickers. So again, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, boom. Alright, so mines are still intact. I feel like mine's legit. Again, I got mine from the Trezor site on Amazon. Here we go. And another thing you can look for is that make sure that this is hard to open because it's super glued on there. So I'm gonna run my knife through it. Maybe it'll make it easier. But nope, it didn't make it easy. I just have to destroy this box, I guess. Alright, giving me some trouble. Empty. So again, let's see. Right here you get a little keychain that says Trezor on it. You get your standard micro USB to connect it to the computer so you can interact with your Trezor wallet. Getting started. So you got a few stickers, 4 stickers. You don't want to promote that you have a Trezor wallet anyway, so I'll just have these somewhere around the house. This is your recovery seed paper. This is your personal recovery seed, right? So when you set up your Trezor, you're gonna need to fill this out. It's gonna be 24. You can see that it's gonna be 24 unique words. That is your recovery seed. You need those 24 keywords to be able to access your funds on your Trezor wallet. If you were to ever lose your Trezor wallet, you need these words to access your funds. Never ever share these words with anybody because these words give you access to your funds. So if I were to give you my words, you'll be able to access my funds through those words. And they give you 2 of them, so you can make a copy, you know, keep one in a safe, maybe keep one at a bank, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with. Remember, anybody can access your stuff if they have these papers. Alright, and last but not least is the Trezor wallet. Alright, has plastic. Boom. That's where you enter the micro USB. 2 buttons, small screen. It's pretty small. This is an iPhone 6s Plus, and this is the Trezor wallet. But alright, we're gonna get into the setting it up, and stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna have to connect your Trezor to your computer, and I'm gonna do that right now. So now I'm gonna set up the Trezor. You have to go to trezor.io. Trezor. Alright, and then you want to go to right here where it says wallet, and I have a Trezor 1. So it even tells you right here about the tempered seals. Anyways, continue to wallet. I have a Mac. Download the latest bridge. So install the Trezor bridge. That's the password to get into my MacBook. Installation was successful. Move to trash. And go back to the website. And then hit refresh. Boom. Your Trezor is shipped without firmware installed to ensure that you get started with the latest features right away. So I'm going to start recording the Trezor. I think I might have to do some stuff on the Trezor itself. So install firmware. And it's installing right there on the Trezor. Lit. Alright, so disconnect the Trezor and then reconnect it. Disconnect and reconnect. And I think I need to do that again. Disconnect, reconnect. Well, so you got to disconnect, reconnect twice. Let's see. So right here you got create a new wallet or recover an existing wallet. I don't have any existing Trezor wallet, and I'm going to create it right now. Something I'm gonna do is set up the PIN, set up those recovery keys. Obviously I'm not gonna show you my recovery keys, so I'm gonna do that off camera. But let's see, let's enable a PIN. That way you double amount the security you have on the Trezor. And then on the Trezor you're gonna have to hit confirm, or you're gonna have to set up a PIN. So on the Trezor it shows numbers, and on the screen it shows something, shows dots. So you just follow the pattern on the Trezor and type it in right here. So just pick anything, something that isn't easy to remember. So don't use your son's birthday, your daughter's birthday, or your mom's birthday, or your birthday, like stuff like that. Just pick a random number. Alright, so this I'm gonna remove off camera too. So okay, so I'm gonna choose a 5-digit pin, and it's asking you to enter it again. And over here you're gonna see it's asking you to put in the pin again, and it scrambled up the numbers again, so that way like nobody's like looking at you doing your thing. So now I gotta type them in again in the new order that they're in, again off camera. Alright, pin has successfully been changed. See, needs backup, so create a backup. Alright, so the backup is the recovery phrase. Again, it's this one right here. Did you get in? Oh, come on. Right there. So it's this one right here. It's going to be the 24 words. And I think everything you're going to do is up right here on the computer. I don't think you're going to mess with the Trezor now. Alright, so right here it says your recovery seed is the backup key to all your cryptocurrencies and applications. Things to avoid: do not take a photo of your recovery seed, do not store it on a computer, do not save it on your cloud storage, never upload it to the internet. Your recovery seed can only be displayed once. Never make a digital copy of your recovery seed, never upload it online, keep your recovery seed in a safe place. Satoshi Labs cannot be held responsible for security liabilities or financial losses resulting from not following security instructions described here. So just hit that you understand and agree, and continue. Now it's asking to put in the pin, so let's put in the pin. So it does show it on the Trezor. It gives you the word, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna give you all 24 words. So let me do that real quick and we'll get back into the video. Alright, so after it gives you the words once, it's gonna give you all 24 words. You write them down, and it's gonna show you the words a second time. That way you can make sure they're all correct, because again, if you mess this up and you deposit money into this wallet, you will not be able to get that money back if you do not have your recovery keys. So that is very important. Remember your recovery keys and remember your PIN, or write it down, which is what I'm doing. I'm writing down on the cards. I'm also going to write it on the second card, and I'm also going to write it down on a sheet of paper. Where am I going to keep them? Alright, so you have successfully backed up your device. I'm going to hit continue. I had already set up the PIN. What should you name your device? Let's see. Personalize your device with your own name and choose one from the examples. Well, my Instagram financial page is called Frugal to Affluent, so I'm just going to use that. See if it fits. Okay. Do you really want to change the name to... Yes, confirm. And continue. Protect yourself against phishing attacks. Bookmark Trezor wallet.trezor.io to avoid visiting fake sites. Use the keyboard shortcut. Okay. I don't need to bookmark it. I'll always double check this all the time. And stay updated with our newsletter. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this out of the video too. This is my separate email that I use just for crypto related stuff, so you can't have it. And you can follow the pages if you want. I think I already follow them on everything. So hit continue. Awesome, you're all set. Your Trezor's ready to go. So I'm all done setting it up. Alright, on to the second part of this video, which would be transferring my funds from my Coinmine to the new Trezor wallet. Alright, so you have to go right here to where it says Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin. And let's see, I want to receive Bitcoin, so I'm going to hit receive right here. and then it's gonna pull up your address right here. So I'm putting show full address. So this is my wallet's address for my Trezor. Now I need to copy this address, put it onto my Coinmine app so I can be able to withdraw the money. So going to my phone now, I'm gonna pull up the Coinmine app, and then I'm gonna type in the wallet address that popped up on the Trezor site into my Coinmine, and I should just be able to transfer the money that easily. So there goes my account right now, sitting at 1.1 million sats. You're gonna click right at the bottom of the screen where the 4 dots are at, and you're gonna go over to where it says Bitcoin, and there you go. You see at the very bottom it says Bitcoin withdrawal becomes available once you've mined 0.0075 BTC, which is also 750,000 satoshis. Alright, so I'm gonna hit withdraw, and I want all of it. Add payment address, and let's see, I'm going to enable camera access. Instead of typing in all those numbers and letters, I can just scan the QR code that is popped up right next to my address, which is the same thing. So I'm about to link my Trezor wallet to my Coinmine right now, and I'm going to scan the QR code off the Trezor site. So add wallet, scanning QR code, and then I'm gonna nickname it Trezor. White. Turn, then confirm wallet. Okay. So now we can go back to the withdrawal. Trezor White. So I'm just gonna withdraw all of it right here. Put review withdrawal. Send this to my address right here, which is my Trezor wallet, and hit confirm. For some reason it's lagging. I don't know. This is again my first time doing this, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, so there was an issue with my Coinmine yesterday. They just had a delay in sending the Bitcoin to my Trezor wallet. Right here is my transactions that I did yesterday. This one at 3:49, that's how late it came. It came in 2 hours late. I don't know why. This one right here was a $1 transaction that I did from Coinbase to the Trezor wallet. It's right here, see, on my Coinbase account. That was just to test it. I thought maybe something was going on with the Trezor, but everything is fine. My money's in my Trezor from my Coinmine, and I'm gonna post a picture of that right now. This screen recording is from today. Obviously Bitcoin has gone up since yesterday, and that's why the value is different. That's pretty much how you transfer your money from your Coinmine or from any exchange to your Trezor. So until next time, let's get this money. Peace.